JJ.
JJ, you have to share with Melvin. Bye-bye. Yeah. And then it's 6.
Like a birthday big guy. Hello. Welcome to Finalizing playtime. We go to opening the Spidey Bumper Car.
Yes, we are.
I got scissors.
Scissors? Go get the scissors.
Red for chair. Green for horse.
Maybe it's already open. I think you just open it here. Open it here. We already opened it to make sure it was real. It's brand new. I bet you can fit in there yourself. What did this come with? Came with the tube that goes around it under. And this is the Spidey. So we'll have to open this. Okay.
Seatbelt.
Okay. Yeah, with the seat belt. And what else do we have here? We have the charger.
Roller.
I have to charge it for a couple of hours. And that one fell in there. And something else fell here. So this is instructions. Put the bumper up and all that. And it says before use, remove 2 screws from the seat cover and lift out cover. Connect the battery terminal. You must connect the same color wires together. Black connector to black terminal. Right terminal to right connector. Make sure they are connected with correct polarity. Replace the seat cover with 2 screws. Melvin, we need a screwdriver. Oh, charge the battery 120 volts. Fully charge battery for 8 to 12 hours. Okay.
Right.
Okay. Alright. We need some screws. Good job. I was about to show you that goes in there. That's a Spidey flag.
That's a Spidey flag.
Yeah, so we need to open this.
F is for flag.
F is for flag. Alright. Good. You can pull this down on the bumper. I don't know if it goes
Pull
from
it down.
or probably the other way.
Yay!
Okay. Alright, Melvin. So it says, let's see. Let's position this first.
This
Go on. You have to position this.
is on this.
Yes, down there like so. So both of this. Let's see if it. So this goes up. There's an arrow. This. So I put this under, and you have to take that out, of course. Put this under, and that, and then we can thread. Good job. Yeah, I can thread it.
Try.
Yeah, try to pull it down. Pull the bumper down. Wait. Wait, see, we haven't fixed here. Get up. You're too small for it. You're too big for it, I mean. That's for, I think, from how old? The 6 both? 1 to 4 years old. And that's for JJ. Take off the pink. Good job. Take off the other one. Awesome. The other way, baby.
The battery oil. The face.
Let's see. What do we do?
What do we do? It's like the batteries.
Yeah. So this is the red part, and that is.
One.
I guess this is already connected to the black. I probably should turn it off. Let's see how we're supposed to do this exactly. Okay, and that's how you hook it up. Now get the seat cover. Get the seat cover. Let's cover it. Let's cover it back. We can take off the white paper. So we can screw this back on. Let's give it a test ride. And maybe you're supposed to charge it first, but you're 5 years actually. Yeah, you're 5 years old, but you're so tall. Yes, that's how it goes. And this didn't come with the remote. That's how it works. All right, JJ, you ready to check it out? Wait. JJ, you like it? That's exactly for your size. You can hold on to this, you can hold this, and push it forward to go forward, and that goes forward. Yes, JJ, you are 2 years old. You're a tall 2-year-old. Yes, that goes to the back. You like it? He likes it, he's smiling. I'm sorry, I wish we had 2 of it so you can bumper with your brother. You can go front. See, that goes to the front. And that goes to the front.
JJ,
JJ, you have to share with Melvin.
share bumper car. You need to share.
You need to share, JJ. Alright, JJ, come down so Melvin can climb. Oh, I turned it off. You have to turn it on. Good job. Bye-bye. Yeah. And then it's 6 volts, so it's probably too slow for you, Melvin. We need to get you 12 volts. You like it? You like it? Yeah. Okay. Yes. Oh, that's what it's for. That's a bumper car. They bump into stuff.